Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Sharon Portenier about what producers are thinking about right now when it comes to getting pastures ready for the grazing season.
And right now, Sharon is back with a fun idea for a project you can do with your family to celebrate May Day.
It's hard to believe that May is not too far away, and maybe you're thinking about making May baskets, and we have an idea for you on that. Joining me now with more is Sharon Portenier with Common Ground. And Sharon, what do you have for us?
Well, we just have some very simple, very easy to put together May baskets. I grew up going to a country school. There were like 25 students in the school, kindergarten through 8. So we did lots of special things maybe growing up, and my mom was wonderful about doing those things with us and for us. And so May baskets was something we always did growing up. And then as we had children, grandma would send them a May basket. So, Mom, can we make May baskets? So we did that tradition with our girls. And now that our girls are all grown and gone, it's fun to do with the grandchildren. And they are very simple. I just have you can put it in whatever kind of container you want. I just have plastic cups. And you can put whatever you want in your May baskets. Popcorn was something we typically did growing up. So I have some popcorn, and licorice is a big favorite of our family. So we have some licorice. And I just went through the candy aisle at the grocery store the other day, and I even have some jelly beans. Our grandchildren love fruit snacks, so we have fruit snacks. And then these are just, I thought they were fun colored. I think they're Tootsie Rolls inside, actually. So we'll sprinkle some of those in, and maybe a little more popcorn for filler. So it's just however you choose, and you can do them. I just put a little piece of ribbon on them, but we oftentimes punched holes in the cup and then made a handle out of a pipe cleaner. As far as your imagination can take you, you can make fun May baskets.
A very fun activity and good reminder that we can do that this time of the year. Thank you, Sharon, for being here today.